today we're going to be making ice cream.
This girl is really talented, you know. I'm gonna support her, give her a subscribe and a like. You know what? Tell her this phone thing, you know. I wonder what the outdoors after offer me, like how we can't really go nowhere. We can't go nowhere, basically. Aside from watch TV, what else we can do again? Go on the internet, go on YouTube, not a bad thing, but what can I really do which is satisfying or active? So on the way outdoors after go on with it. Oh yeah, no. Been a while, you know. You know what? Let's see.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
The light. Oh my gosh. Oh my, these are so cute. Look at that. Hashtag palm trees. Oh my, these are so cute. I think I should start. Should I do the farming? Guys, look at the sky, it's so pretty. Oh, look at that. Where is my dog now? Bruno! Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the intro, I'm trying out something different, and I hope you're loving the scenery that I'm giving you guys right now. So this video is just to highlight that you can do things at home, you know, especially during this time. There are a few hobbies, few stuff you can do, and I'm going to show you a few of them that came to my mind and I felt like reenacting it. So I do hope you enjoy this little bit, and yeah, let's get started. So guys, as you know, with our busy life, with our busy schedules, many times we forget to do the necessary stuff we need to do, especially if we are Christians, even non-believers as well. We need to tune in more into God's word, and during this time it's a good opportunity for you to just take the time out, especially if it's like 15 minutes for the day, you know, go somewhere quiet and peaceful to you and just, you know, read a word a day. I think they say if you read a word a day, it will keep the devil away. I always hear that saying. So yeah, I was just out there admiring the scenery, the bright sun, and yeah, it was Psalms 91. You guys can read that as well. It's good, especially during this time. And also while you're there, I took out my notebook, so you can also write down different verses, especially if you're not sure as to what it means, and you can go back, keep meditating on that verse, and eventually you get the revelation. And especially if you research, if you have study groups on WhatsApp, if you have friends that are believers as well, or anybody around you that can help you out. And also sometimes you read the word and things just come to you from God, and you just decided to jot it down and highlight it. So I kind of have my highlighter here, so I highlight the word, and yeah, sometimes I just go back into it and see what I wrote. It's good to have, you know. So yeah guys, you can do this, pray, meditate on the word, just have some time for God now, you know, because we're so busy sometimes we forget to do these things. So on to the other bit. So now from you seeing me in this what would you call it, athlete's wear, I don't know if you see it. I'm just following. You can go on YouTube and follow some home workout routine. You know, if you don't know how to do some routines on your own, YouTube would definitely help you out. So I'm going off by doing some stretches. You know, you're trying to get a bit fit over this period. So you guys can join along and, you know, look for some walking routine at home. And that's what I'm doing right here. As you can hear my mom in the background, she kind of shame me still as I'm stiff, but it's alright, mommy, if you hear this. Yes, guys. So after Miss Marjorie decided to interrupt me, I decided to go back in and doing some squats. These are so easy, guys. You know, keep your body keep your body fit and active. That's what I was supposed to say, but I was getting tired, so I kind of stopped. So the third item is drawing or sketching. You can do this by following step by step on how to draw and sketch on YouTube. There are a lot of videos, guys, and I'm going to use this one. You see the name of the channel, so let's see how this works. I'm using this sketch pad. It was about $200 in Jamaican at Sangster's bookstore, if you want to know where I get it from. So I'm just following the steps. So easy, especially if you're not a big drawer, but if you have patience and you actually willing to learn, then this is good for you to follow, to try. Yeah, this period that we're in, it helps us to find our hobbies, try a variety of stuff and see what works. And even if you have already find your passion, you can still work on it, still get better at it, you know, because you can't know everything at once. Like, you have to keep on trying. I don't know what I was saying here, but that's how it look, and this is the after. Let's see, guys, what do you guys think? I did well, right? Okay, guys, I'm not going to lie, like, I draw this way before then, but just for the aesthetic, I forgot the pronunciation for the video. I decided to, you know, give you guys a bit of boost, a bit of confidence. Like, you can achieve it, guys. I don't think I'm a big of a drawer. Yeah, but I think I did pretty well, especially when I'm going through stuff. I tend to draw. It's been a while, but this was one of them. What do you think? So drawing is one. This is what the third, fourth thing. You can style here if you have a mannequin, just like I'm using right now. You can go on YouTube. If you know most of these stuff I'm referring to, you guys, you can follow on YouTube. Like, everything is out there, you know, whatever you want to learn, it's on YouTube. At the time you just sit down there watching, go ahead, get up and try these things. Like, try different hairstyles, how to cornrow, how to twist, how to braid your own hair, especially if you can't go to the hairdresser or the salon. You know, all those things are out there for you guys. So yeah, I'm just kind of combing this mannequin hair out. It's been there for a while and the girl needed a hairdo. So this is how let's call her Cherry. This is how Cherry hair looks. Good as new. So this is the time now, guys. You have to like rearrange stuff in your rooms, let it be more neater, sweep, or you know, do the sanitary stuff, of course. And yeah, overall there's so much things you can do. I just show you guys a few. You can do your own manicure, pedicure at home. You can bake, you can cook. There's so much things, guys, you can do. And you have YouTube videos with different content creators that produce good stuff. You can follow that you can do within indoors, and with especially cooking and baking ingredients that you have at home, you can use them. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was somewhat enjoyable and you could take something out of what was going on. In some parts, I just want you guys to, you know, have some type of smile on your faces. I know what it's like, you know, everybody is in panic, but just know that God is in control and that the Lord will never leave you nor forsake you. And just have faith, you know, just have faith in God. What can fear do, you know? What does fear really do? It just makes you worse. So just put your trust in God, and as they say, isolate yourself until further notice, and just find things you can do within your home. You know, most of us are so busy in our lives, we don't, you know, we're not so familiar with things that we can do, but there are things at home that we can, and I just highlighted a few. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Helps your girl a lot. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, the like button, and comment down below like what are you doing in times of isolation, you know. So yeah, until next time, bye. Oh, I'ma forget, wash your hand here, wash your hand, you know, sanitize.